As the school year begins, Baltimore City health officials say they've noticed an alarming number of students without proper vaccines against childhood diseases. Kelsey Kushner reports why some local schools are making sure kids are ready for when they physically go back to school.
With the school year officially underway,
I'm getting shot so I can go back to school.
Students are stepping up to get vaccinated.
And I'm really nervous and I don't want to get them.
Baltimore City health officials say they've noticed an alarming number of students without proper vaccines against childhood diseases like measles or mumps. And Dr. Matthew Grant says part of the blame is on the pandemic.
People don't necessarily think that they have to get all the vaccinations if their children are at distance learning, but it's still just as important if they're going out into the community to play with friends, or if they're going out to the grocery store with their parents.
Health officials say this year over 3,100 city school students have yet to submit records proving they've been vaccinated, compared to just over 1,800 last year. Saturday, families lined up outside the University of Maryland Medical Center for one of several free clinics offering vaccines. But some parents say right now it's not necessary.
I think it's ridiculous that we have to do this, even though he's not in school. He's not around any other children that would catch anything from him.
Dr. Grant says federal regulation requires students to get vaccinated, and any student that decides not to could be prevented from attending school when in-person instruction resumes.
Even with the pandemic and distance learning happening now, there's no loosening of those regulations, and schools are going to be hit hard by that.
For a full list of where you can go to get immunizations, head over to our website at WJZ.com. Reporting in Baltimore City, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.